Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a friendship pot on Grow a Garden. So you're just going to purchase it in the gear section, if I'm not mistaken. Where's my recall wrench? If you go to the gear section, and then you'll see there is a friendship pot. You can then buy it, and then you're going to want to get it out, and your friend's going to also purchase the friendship pot, and you're going to get close to your friend and you're going to hand out your friendship pot, and you're going to press E to sync. Then you'll have to tend to your plant. Okay, so I have to tend to my friend's plant, and my friend has to tend to my plant every, like, how many hours is that? Every, like, I think it was 12 hours ish. Every day you have to tend to each other's plant, and then it will grow into this beautiful like flower plant. I think I have to show you in like an image because I actually haven't. This is like my first friendship plant. So yeah, that is how you can grow a friendship plant in Grow a Garden. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.